Sanibonani Mzansi and welcome to Sekunjalo TV. I am your presenter Uphumelele Twale and angihlelanga ngiwani. I have a pretty lady right next to me ozositshela kabanzi ukuthi wagilwa ubani kanjani kwenzakale. And ekunye futhi kumele sikhumbule as iSekunjalo TV ukuthi akuphume emlomeni wethu kuphuma kulosisi esinaye namhlanje. Sawona sisi wami.
Hello.
Njani?
Khona nje.
Ngicela uzintroduce usitshele kabanzi ngedaba lwakho.
Mina nguLebo waseSoweto. Ngize la ku Sekunjalo TV. Ngizokhuluma udaba ngoba geli yo ngagilwa. Yazi ngagilwa.
Hey. Wagilwa ubani? Wenzakalani?
Ugayi ucale right, ne? Sahlangana I think 2016 lapho. Ukuthi sigibele itaxi e1 ngisebenze for Waze yena sigibele ibar so being connected bar. So sigibela sonke efake uniform emasoja ugayi umuntu right masigibela but bekahlela hlala phambili no drive.
Okay.
Hayi kuye ngingazi nokuthi sihlala semkazi uyabo. Hayi kuye lokhana one time ngiye endaweni la kubayisa khona ebeer. Sihlangane lapho ke ya ugayi khuluma beke. Sweet guy mawumbhekile.
Ukutshela the way stand ngakhona. Okay.
But because bengasikudala ngiphuma ku relationship ngathi ay outing ichile yabo.
Yeah.
Hayi sababangani siloku sihlangana lapho siphuza saba close kanjalo. Then around 2017 kanjalo yeah we started dating.
Okay.
As sweet. Yo
Akuphatha
lalela
soft.
Alright, you know, eza ekhaya ngaze introduce futhi bese ngijabulile ngoba umuntu omthetho I know ukuthi ayila ngimnandi angiphethe njengeqanda yabo until I think 9 months later. But nakhona ngingayithatheli
ekhanda
yabo. 9 months later waqala ke seka receive ama call around past 2 ukuthi nguwe call yaphendula mangibheka icall umngani wami inumber umngani wami.
So yena bekathi ubani?
No angimbuzanga ngimbuza ekseni ngoba every morning bekase analyst style sokuthi avuke ekseni around past 6 ageze adle ahambe ungishiya ngilele.
Okay.
Uyahamba yena esportini lesi esahlangana kuso kanti uyohlangana nomuntu lapho
every day
umngani wami wesiphathi umuntu kade ngikhuluma naye ku WhatsApp manje ngiyayibona la number ngithi amani le number ngathi ngiyayazi mos ngithule ngiloko ngifollow up up until ngiba confront. So umngani wami uyathunga yabo.
Yeah.
She's a tailor. Ngambuza wathi ayena ama customer wakhe bafona la anytime ngathi past 2 kodwa
hayibo uyaphika phela manje basho njalo
uyaphika vele. Anyway baphika kwethunga bayeka
ngicophuza. So umngani wakho uhlangane kanjani noMugayi?
We drink all at the same place. So we shoot yena the time awumngani wami bekafuna uGayi. I don't know whether umsejusile or whatever angazi but eventually they ended up being together.
So the guy knew very well ukuthi hayi umngani wakho.
He knew. Yeah. Ubehlala sibona sonke.
Shuthi beka nemission nje ugela ukuthi hayi vele nje. Hey.
Yeah, I think so or maybe I think bekabona the way uGayi angiphethe ngakhona. So bekakhalela lokho angazi uyawazi.
Okay, so kwabuye kwenzakalani after lokho?
Well, after lapho it's 9 months down the line now. Wanyamalala uGayi angishiya kuyo le ndawo leyo. Kanti is at the funeral eTladi uGel.
Okay.
Ugel uyaphaka lapho uyapheka or whatever kade yenza. Ngitshela umntanami athi phela umzala ngimbonile eNzansi mara kimi uthe uyazi endlini. Ngivele ngihambe ngekhaya. Abuye later. Waqala lapha nje.
Uactor
otherwise and ubuya uyo wrong manje.
Yeah.
Uyohambile wangishiya.
Akakutshelanga lutho.
You know. The next thing makabuya ubani uthi uhamba ngithi ngitshile ngathi ngiyabuya.
Hayibo.
Njani manje? Sifike nini lapho?
So okay, njengoba uthi sifikeni lapho ngiphi idea ukuthi maybe wakhuluma ngetone nje
Yeah,
ungayizwisanga, okay?
like he was obviously bekadakiwe.
Okay.
And then beka harsh.
Was it the first time aba so
Yeah.
harsh? Okay.
It was beka harsh, so ngambuza ngathi hawu yini manje ungishikelana ngoba
Oh.
ungishiyile mina angazi ukuthi uyiphi, so bekumele ngihlale ngingazi ukuthi ngihlaleleni le. Nakhona it's not like mangekho lapho you don't know ukuthi nguphi ngoba nakho ngitholile mas nangasambe it's okay, maybe it's because he's drunk yabo.
Probably.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sambe ekuseni same pattern,
Uyavuka
uyavuka,
futhi.
uyageza, uyahamba.
So because ubosowazi lapho ukuthi hawu kwenzakala so why bungaveli nawe ke uzikhipha?
I don't know. Yazi sometimes I think mawu situation
Yeah.
awuboni or like angazi why bengayenzi leyo nto. Ngizibuza lokho all the time.
Hey mara bathi uthanda blind so.
Hayi nelona lu blind.
Shuthi bongithanda shame.
Cause like he made me after the relationship engibule kuyo.
Yeah.
Wanyenza ngiqala ukuthanda futhi. Uyabo. So like because I was totally off men. Ngikhathele you ngoba vele bayagilana. So ngabona ukuthi man there's still uthando out there.
Yeah.
Kanti yo.
So how would you say was the treatment yaga guy no previous guy?
The previous guy was better because azange ngishaye and he
Okay.
wasn't verbally or emotionally abusive. It's just that I think my priorities were to bewangafani.
So Ntombo ngiyazwa uthi nahlangana eTavern, so into engayizwanga kahle ke ukuthi the day nihlangana did you approach the guy or you were approach?
Like indawo leyane
Mm.
it's umkhukhu
Okay.
izozo. So mina bengiphuma emsebenzini ngihalela i-1 yana. Mangingena ngithola wethu uye uguy ne-owner.
Okay.
Yabo. So ngifuna ukuphuza and bona abanamali. So ngibuza ngithi manje ngizophuza ngi-1. Bathi asinamali unless if ufaka 1. Yabo. Angithenge ke i-1 bathenge. So they ngiphuze nabo sonke. Maybe that's another thing yenza ukuthi afuna ukuba nami. I don't know.
You were impressed.
I think you understand. So ngafika ke sazihlalela saphuza kwaba mnandi.
So based on our conversation now, bekakhuluma ngani nje?
Besixoxa generally that day nje. Nayo i-owner sixoxa nje general talk.
So i-conversation yakhe ne-owner like bobona ngathi dala abazana so or okay as bekungekho nje into ezifani nje between bona.
Angithi mina remember I'm the one ongazi ukuthi uguy uhlala kuphi same strat nami. So the owner knows and apparently uguy I think bekana 11 years ahlala ngalapho mina I've never seen him. So bebazana abangani uhlala phuza irregular yakhe.
So bebajwayelene.
Too much.
Okay, so masibuyela back to indaba yakho introducer ebazalini bakho. Like how did they feel about yena?
Honestly ekhaya abantu very
Welcoming.
yeah. Okay, besides welcoming ngathi strict in a way. And then religion yethu obviously ayivuma ukuthi uthandane nomsoja kind of yabo.
Okay.
Not that ayivumi but that's a
Long story.
Yeah. So
okay.
mangifika like naye the first time bamthandile angithi obviously bengagqokanga uniform. So they didn't know ukuthi he's a soldier up until ke ezabuye emsebenzini agcoke uniform. Gogo wathi lebu lesole ayithunya. And then nami vele obviously bengisaba yabo because you know abantu ababana like they always
stuff,
you know
sometimes.
but anyway ekhaya bafuna ukubona ngijabulile whatever makes me happy
So they
support.
accepted him.
They did.
Okay.
Bayamthanda like.
And then the day Agisa lahlala khona, like how did you feel about that?
At first like meaning I'm introducer lapho.
No, just him
Or
taking you
Bungaham.
to the place to see where he stays.
Because everyone begas paying I thought this guy is the one. Ahambe nami kubo bonke labantu in front of them. Kusho ukuthi uchoose mina mos.
comfortable ngawe
like
and ayikho into
akabikho next,
engazoyenza,
you
you
know.
understand? So manifika vele la hlala khona, what happened?
Sihlezi, then sacoca further, salala. The following day savuka, breakfast, you know. Like as I was saying, ukuthi lo muntu lo bekanempatho. I don't know what happened.
So after how long did you meet uMaStandi walapha ekhaya?
Because bengenza ama-duck diving, I think maybe 2 months. Nakhona ungibone ngoba ngiyaphuma, so ungibone through the window.
Okay.
Then wamemeza, yabo. Awulebo.
And then based on our conversation wakho naye uMaStandi, did she seem welcoming? How did she treat you?
Remember uMaStandi ngiyamazi.
Okay.
It's not like bengiqala ukumbona. Uhlala same street nami. But bengingakamjwayeli to the extent ukuthi singa
conversation and
yeah. So yena umuntu right the way bengibona ngakhona mina then.
So umuntu wesifazane ne? So I think you mentioned ukuthi she was so welcoming njengoba usho ukuthi
she is. She's a very
calm
friendly
person,
kind, yabo. Yeah.
So into engifuna ukuyi-understand manje ukuthi did she perhaps know what kind of person your boyfriend was? Or
yazi uyabona if you have kids ne, let's say unabantwana abayi-2, then uyi-1 favorite. Lo favorite noma ngiyayenza into wrong. Angeke ubone. So after this whole thing happened, ngabona ukuthi bekamsaba, bekamprotector ngoba bekamthanda. Even if she knew ukuthi wenzani, she wouldn't have told me.
And how did that strike you?
I was disappointed because I mean umama, you understand, and uyangazi. She was supposed to let me know ukuthi I think namanye ama girlfriend wakhe bewaya lapha, and she wouldn't tell me.
Yeah. So after finding out about umngani wakho naye, the day you went to the place where you guys drink and stuff, like ufile kanjani?
Belittled. Ngifile ngimncane like because you know, okay, I'm not saying ukuchita ku right, but nomuntu okwaziyo, rather if it was someone from far, yabo, at least.
And what emotions did your friend show the time azokutshela, even uguy naye?
She didn't care.
She was calm.
I'm not no one.
And then uguy yena naye
They both didn't care because uguy wangitshela ukuthi ngihambe ngiyoclean.
Ashuthi nje bekungabonakalisa ukuthi nje
no, I think for bona it was new love, yazi new love yahlanyisana.
Yeah.
So like you babona ngiba disturb nje
in a way. And then you left them wahamba. Enye into futhi engicakile ukuthi like you still had lento leyo ukuthi ubuyele ekhaya la endlini yaka Gaya ngithi and still clean and cook. Ngathi lapho ngilahlile.
I don't know, maybe I don't know, maybe benghigh angazi.
Shuthi ama emotions wakhe avele nje wayekhaya.
Yeah, looking back I don't know what happened ukuthi ngize ngihlale because if something happens the first time kumele uphume. But I
you
didn't.
were in love, girl. Umthanda. And enye into futhi ne mawufika ekhaya azokufonela athi uzokuthengela ukudla. Ibuyiseni lokho ku
Mina I think ukuthi uguy besides being an abuser he's a narcissist. Uthanda attention and yilabantu laba othi makazi ukuthi wenza into wrong uzozama ukubribe ngento aziyo ukuthi uyayithanda.
So in other words he was buying of
my
forgiveness and stuff
and without asking for an apology. Because nje
akusi umuntu nje onapha to ama mistakes wakhe.
Uyazi ukuthi amangamthengela lokho soba right together.
So ngikuze usho futhi nakuthi he sent a guy to the house, right? And emakamsenda ukuthi akunikeze the food, right? And you also mentioned ukuthi sometimes angafika nje akuceli uyakuthatha. Abantu basekhaya bebafile kanjani ngalokho?
They didn't sing in the outside room.
Oh, okay. But okay, abantu basendlini you abatshela anything about?
After a while sekaqala abuse. Sengibona ukuthi manje no, because you know, I think when you're in this kind of situation, angazi ngithini, because you wena self you need protection, but you end up protector the person okuabusayo. Awufuna ukutshela abantu bazothini, ucabangela yena mara yena akakucabangeli.
So based on ama conversation bonawo nomngane wakho, like uyakunika ama sign nje ukuthi akayenzi into enje?
No, like azange. Mina I thought too happy because I mean nayo ushadile ngithi, so I didn't see ukuthi she can actually do that.
And then that time uhamba vele uyolandela uGuy labe baya khona, like i-conversation le aye wayivusa, how did you feel makazokutshela ukuthi hayi ufunani lana, like socedile ukucleana?
Usho the day ngifika ekuseni ngibalandela.
Yeah.
Yo, ukuyabona ufile ngathi ulingana nentuthwane. And you know i-advantage yabo is mawungena i-window bayabona mawuza, so if they were touching they could have easily yabo. But the way hambe uyocleana wena la, hambe uyoclean, and uyangithola ubuso buqinile lo, nake clean wala one fair kuri, like I'm nothing. And yazi into yangibhora yini, angikwatanga lapho, ngikwate mangifika le kuyo, and ngaclean okusalayo ngapheka.
Shuthi botliniswa nje
I think bengi angry too much, yabo. Ngacleana ngapheka, ngageza ngahamba ngaya ekhaya. Wangilanda futhi the same night.
After how long?
Phela bekuseni bekasekaya lapha yana every morning. Abuya makuvalwa. So it
Ntambama
was a
yabo.
norm.
Okay.
Not ntambama, 10, 11 ebusuku.
So solo kahleli lapho until ebusuku khana zokulanda. Meaning that they might have been together since.
Who knows? But I think they were. And nalabantu kade sibloma nabo they knew.
And they had nothing to say. Akekho nje nomuntu bekakusayinela nix.
Some people angithi they have hatred for you when I was.
Oh, okay.
But asimekeni zobona phambili.
So the day azokutshela ukuthi ayihamba ucleana, was it him and the girl only laphayana or no? Okay.
By two phela because it was still early ekuseni.
No owner yalaphayana bengekho nix.
I think bekayositoka or something.
Okay, so when exactly did he start abusing you? Like physically abusing you?
Ngithi manje it's 2017.
Okay.
Siya ku 2018. I think it was around April, May, but before birthday.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it was around then. Ngiserumini yakhe uyeza ubuya emsebenzini, no ubuya kule ndawo le, so uzolanda imali ngoba bese angasathengi nokudla, like he had changed a lot, yabo. So uzolanda the money that ayibekile ukuthi azogibela ngayo. So ngithola ngibheka i-TV, then angisakhumbula ubani owangifonela bangibuza ntasemsebenzini uGuy though bengisebenza naye. Oh yaba enye into. Yeah. Uyangijolela. Hey wena uyis what?
Okay.
Yay motherfucking what? Uyangithola. Va. Bam. Ukuyaba no disbelief, like awukholwa ukuthi lento le iqeda
kuyenzakala.
Ungazongibheka kanjalo ubuso, like yo the guy. That's why ngithi yabona makaphuze i-hot stuff uwes. He's like this monster. Ngathi akusiwo umuntu lo kade ukhuluma naye 10 minutes ago. Yazi that day wangikhama ni towards i-fridge. I don't know what came to my mind. Ngacala ngakhipha i-braid. Ngambamba ngaye so ngamkhama nami. And that was the only way. Akhona ukungiyeka. You know, ngaleso sikhathi siyarasa abantu bakhona ejardini. why bangaphumi bazobuza ukuthi what's happening.
So iyangixaka lento le. Kusho ukuthi vele bayamazi ukuthi umuntu onjani.
They knew.
Bese wena wenza njani, like ufile kanjani after lokho and
Ubusy phela manje angeke ene kumele ahamba ngithi phela bamele.
Oh okay.
So now akasena isikhathi sokudila nami. Ungiklapile it's okay then uyachubeka uyavula uyahamba. Ngaphuma lapha ngingacala ngakwata but mangifike ekhaya inhliziyo yami like ngitinile ngixalelana. Ngakhala ngizibuza ukuthi kanti yini why just because umuntu ungibuzile nje ukuthi ini kuphi emsebenzini yazo trigger all this.
Yo manje njengoba sobuyele endlini yini into eyenza ukuthi khulume futhi naye from lapho and ama conversation wenu nje bese khuluma ngani nje?
Azange eze that day that night. Whereas I think it was on a Sunday bengipheka futhi.
So that day it was?
I think Thursday, if not Friday, somewhere lapho. Where's a Sunday? Nakhona Sunday mageza uza late still.
Uphuzile.
Obvious. Uyeza uyanokha eminyango angivuli. Bengilele anyway. But the uyanokha ngakhona manje uyarasa mina I'm a light sleeper yabo. Ngicine ngivuka. Ubani yimi ngavuli. Do you know ukuthi waphuma lapho eminyango? Wangitshela ukuthi angivuli because nginomuntu. Wahamba wayohlala egate. Wadlala isound ngefoni. Suke egate ngabo 5 ekseni. Athi ufuna ukubona ukuthi ubani ozophuma. Lo ngimvalele ngale roomini.
Like you understand ukuthi buse roomini ne? But abantu basendlini abazwanga like when he was knocking and stuff.
Well, I stay with old people.
Oh okay. Wahlala nje ilanga lonke.
The whole night and morning, yeah. Wahlala egate adlala ifoni.
So were you able to sleep?
Angimuza mina mangiseromeni ifase gate.
Wamthola mawuphuma ekseni?
Ngithola sekangekho. But Tuesday hlangana nami ke ngiyisiphaza. Wangidonsa.
Hayibo. In public.
Hello. You know like sikhona ne this guy I think bayamsaba ngoba yisoldier or what I don't, but that's how I felt ukuthi bayamsaba because even nalapha endaweni bekanokungishaya khona and people would not do anything. Bayamsaba or bebachazwa yini I don't know, but like bekayenza izinto umuntu akhudule phambi kwabantu abantu babhekile.
They have no say.
That's why ngithi bebamsaba ngoba yisoldier or whatever I don't know.
So wakuthatha wakisa la hlala khona bese
wangishaya. You know I have pictures, it's just that azange send. I have bruises, I'm a picture like.
And then mind you uyaqala ukukushaya ngithi?
It's the second time angithi wangishaya.
Continuation ya that day.
Yeah.
Like if
wangishaya ungishayela ukuthini? Wayengavulanga that day.
Okay.
Akokota kushuthi benginomuntu. I think bekwi Thursday. Yeah, ngiserumini and uguy weza mageza bekazolanda imali. I think bekumele abuyele khona endaweni yabo. So wafika ngithola ngibheka iTV, then makaqeda lapho kwangena icall. So there was someone ungifonele from emsebenzini angibuza nga something I don't remember what. Wayala nje ngokuzwa ukuthi umuntu esilisa ofonile. Yo umuntu wangihlaba ngenye impama. Yazi and ukubona umuntu aketcha off guard. Like akushaye nje uvele uthuka ukuthi ushaye mina like I believe uyangithola. Wangishaya ngimbuza ngithi yini? Yawo busy uyangijolela wena. Jola namadoda mina ngishiyelana uloku busy wepage what. Ngithi ipijana umuntu ngibuza izinto zasemsebenzini. Hayi angikhama uguy. Angikhama ngibeke efridge so angazi lawo mandla ngiwathathephi ngakhipha ke ibraid ngamkhama nami. But because bekane appointment wahamba wangishiya kanjalo. So I don't know ukuthi uye ngale wafika wayenzani, and ngaleso sikhathi ejartini umnyango wasendlini uvuliwe, igaraji livuliwe. I wonder why bangavelanga that time, because obviously makune commotion niyezwa and nifuna ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Fine, ahambe ke ngikwate, ngihambe ngekhaya futhi. Angiyezi that day azobuya. I think it was Sunday, yeah, Sunday. Nakhona late futhi njengenjwayelo. Makafika uyanokha. Hayi, ngimangele this time. Ngoba ebuthongweni ngiyezwa ukuthi amani kune-knock la. Ngibuze ubani? Yimi Vula. Hayi, angivuli. Vula, uyakokota manje sekaba ngumsindo. And ukuthi ubhuti wami bekangekho, otherwise bekazophuma. Anokha ngithi angeke ngivule because I know ukuthi sisazolwa futhi. Hayi, ahambe. Ahlale kuphi egeyithini manje. Yeah, busy uyarasa ngiyezwa bathi hey umuntu busy uyarasa lapha abantu base next door. Busy uhleli egeyithini. Urasisa nefone. Bathe uhlale lapha around past 11 until 4-5 in the morning. Khana hamba abuyele endlini. Ngangambona Sunday na Monday. Tuesday ngesiphaza, and I think bese ngasikudala buye emsebenzini. Wahlangana nami. Wangidonsa ngenye indlela. Wangisa kuphela isiphaza sila la hlala khona is just 2 houses away. Azange ngishaywe kanje that day. Shayelwani ke manje sengishayela ukuthi angivulanga Sunday makanokha. Shuthi vele benginomuntu and umile akunandaba ne-safety yakhe ini ukuthi uhleli egeyithini the whole night and morning. Ithi mina ngaze laphi ukuthi uhleli egeyithini. I don't know, but mina ngiserumini ngilele. Wena uwechuzile ukuthi uhlale egeyithini. Hayi angishayi umuntu angishayi. Makaceda angikhiyele. Waletha i-bucket, yabona i-20 liter ye-paint. Wayibeka lapho wangikhiyela. Wahamba. Wathi mangifuna ukuchama ngifuna ukwenzani ngizosala lapho. Wahamba gone. Angazi wayapi wayenzani. Ngahlala lapho and kunebhatla ngizophuma kanjani. Ngapha ngilimele ungilimazile. And yena ubengangishayela mara la emzimbeni bengihleli nginamabruzi yonke indawo. But ubuso noma ngitshela abantu ukuthi lo muntu uyangishaya, that's why I think bengangikholwa because ngi-right ebusweni. But imzimba, and it's not easy ukuthi uvele ukhumulela umuntu umbonise ukuthi ibheka njani. Wahamba bengabo past 12, I think 11 lapho. Since ahambile wabuya the following day ngabo 8-9 ekuseni. Ubuya adakwe West. Makabuya umuntu wami. Umuntu wami angazi ngingena uSathani. Hey, angadi ukuthi kwendakalani what. Azi ngaso sikhathi ngimbhekile nginyanyile inhliziyo yami. Uyahamba uyangikhiyela. Kusho ukuthi kahle you taking away my right yokuphila mosman. Hawo yazi ngiyangicabanganga yazi angazi ngingenwe yini. Hey what ngimbhekile uthi ayish ngamnyanya from that time because manje I'm bruised up. Ngithi mina ngifuna ukuya ekhaya so that ngikhona ukuya eclinic. Hayi eclinic ngizokuphathela izinto zokugcoba, ngizokuthengela abo comprali esiphaza. And ngaso sikhathi angisazifuni lapha ya. And mangizohamba phela la bekubhlungu. Ngizibuza ukuthi why ungenza uyini? Hayi ukuthi manginathile angadi kwendakala ngiba mina nginesikhwele vele. Isikhwele ukuthi ungilimaze. And mude phela mina I'm short. Hayi angeke ngisaphinda. Ngithula ngimbheke. But ngikwatile at the same time ngiyajabula maka ngitshela ukuthi ngeke asaphinda. Okay kushuthi uyazisola. Yabo. And leyo bekuyi red flag ke serious enkulu. ngoba bekumele ngaleso sikhathi nje mangiphuma ngingasabuyeli kuphi la. Anyway, eventually ngigcine ngihamba ngekhaya. Angibatsheli noma ngifika ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Hayi ngiyathula. But ngamcela ngathi ngicela ukuzinesa kancane, like okwamanje ngisakwatele yabona. Cela ungi-understand, ungi-respect. Ngifuna ukuba yi-one. Ngifuna ukuba la ekhaya. Hayi sharp. Then ngaboma during the week abuya isekudala manje ngingakuboni ngithi ngize ngizokuchecka. Ngithi hayi ngi-right, so ngivakashela nini. Ngithi hayi angazi, angikho sure. But manje angisamthandi like before, uyabo. Angibuza athi yini unomuntu. Ngithi why ungibuza nginomuntu? Angibuza ukuthi ngipholile ngiluleme or nginjani, ngibuza ngomuntu. No, ukuthi noma ngifona sometimes awuphendula ama-call, sometimes mangikhuluma nawe ngathi ngiyakudina. Ngithi ngikwatisile akuthi into yenzile kwamele ngifile so angisekho like ekucaleni bongangitreat kanje mos. That's why I had time for you. But manje uyabona nawe ngiyenzani. No mara ngithi ngicolisile ngathi angazi. Hayi sibe right sibuyele futhi. One time, I think a few months later, bekuna something lapha kublonyiwe nje la kade aceshe khona. So kunabantu abafana amantombazane and baze kuye kade ayenze, I don't know it was a braai or what, angazi. Ngathi bebaqale babloma then eventually bacabanga ukuthi bashisa inyama and whatnot. Angichomi naye bekakhona lapho. Mina ngifika late vele. Ngifika kublonyilwa umngani wami naye ukhona umunye. Ngifike lapho ngihlale siblomeni. Futhi ngathi bekuyilanga le strike yakwaba bekungathi kune strike so amaphoyisa angangeni, abantu bashisa for ugesi and stuff. How sihlezi right sekuyahanja manje munye nomunye uyahamba. Mangithi ngihamba tayo ngicela ungahambi yazi angikho right bengakuphatha ngakhona in. Hayi umngani wami lo omunye hayi loya wathi kimi Jomi mina sengizobona kusasa ethi ngihambe. Athi hayi ungahambi bloma siblomeni. Dala ngicela ukubloma nani. Hayi siblome. Masiloko siblomile kumnandi nje sayiphuzela kuna stress. Then kungena i-call efonini yakhe ngimbuza ngithi ungena i-call ngathi uyathuka so yini. Hayi yazi labantu beyikoledi uyabazi ukuthi banjani in. Ngitho okay. Ikhali futhi phone asishiye rumini like aphuma. Maybe uphume 10-15 minutes. Mangabuya sengibhorekile yini manje ubuyaphi? I-call bese uyaphuma. Kanti ukhuluma noGeli. Uyabona? Makakhuluma noGeli. Ngimoshe nje ngokuphuma umngane wami athi ayichomithi ngihambe ngithi ayithi ngibheke ngaphandle ngoba kahlali kude. Masiphuma ngisaxoxeke nomngane. Umuntu wangilanda ngevosho lapha. Umeleni stratini kusebusuku ngabo past 9. Uma stand naye bekakhona kuleyo braai basablomile bona endlini. Angilandi. Wena ungijwayela kahle kahle uyoyeka nini lobufebe bakho? Uyoyeka nini? Ngithi ukhuluma ngani? Ngikhuluma nomngane wami ngiyamvalelisa uyahamba. Like yini ukhuluma ngani? Yabona that day was the worst kula ngibone khona ukuthi nakhona still ama red flag bewamaningi. Ngabona that day ukuthi uGuy une problem ngasho. Wangiphusha cabanga from egate sicede ukungena uyakhiya manje kusho ukuthi sekayangiforce ngathi maka ngicela ukuthi ngilale kahle ngivuma ngathi akathandi uthanda makayenza ngeforce kube ngathi vele uyangiforce. Maybe it gives him pleasure or something, I don't know. Angikhodula kanjalo uMaster manje sekayaphuma nendoda yakhe. Yini? Ha mara le bulwenda ngimenzeni? Ngimenzeni? Yazi le day wangitshela ukuthi ungifakele ibhoot lasemsebenzini special ukuthi azongiganda ngalo and awalifaka wangikhaba ngagcina ngilimele i-ankle but this side sengichuka ngingakwazi ukunyathela phansi just because ngikhapha umngani wami phela so umuntu onjani loyo ngazibuza ngathi mara ngikwenzeni khona manje ngilimele ngicela ukuhamba at least ke ngithatha ifoni ngifonele i-ambulance wathatha ifoni yami wayilahlela phansi ifoni layithengweni so uma stand naye akanasenya ngicela ngithi okay ngoba lo muntu lo uthatha isikhiya akafuna ukungivulela wena ngivulele ngesakho ngangavula that's why ngithi I think bekamsaba or bekamthanda I don't know which is which because I don't believe if umama ubona ukuthi umntwana omunye umama uhlukumezekile bese uyahlala wena awumncedi into enjani leyo ugabe kasatshwa futhi bekasatshwa yiwo wonke umuntu
So isitoro sakho singizohlunyaza. So based on like you getting hurt bakhodule like community njengoshilo babonile abanye mastandi naye like endlini bona like azange kufike nje ukuthi this is what is happening
endlini ngibatshelile ne but this guy like mangasho something ngawe bese abantu bayakubona bazocabanga ukuthi ngimamanga unjalo I don't know if manipulative or a smooth talker or what because they didn't believe but the day ngilimala unyawo ngabonisa umama ngitshela ukuthi lo etsamo but already vele bese ngifuna ukuphuma because nami ngiyabona ukuthi lento le ayikho right.
So from advice ka mama like did you perhaps leave and then go out there to like get assisted at least by maybe uthola umuntu ongakhuluma naye maybe unjela ukuthi yo nginenkinga so or maybe like report udaba lakho?
No, that time azange ngithola umuntu ongakhuluma naye but I did report because you remember I said beku ne-strike abantu bavala i-truck for ugesi and what because besinesikhathi esiningi singena gesi so emgwaqeni bekunenkinga so mangibiza amaphoyisa naye mangiwabiza uthi babiza abafana bami labo ngeke bangenze next so when I called the police bathi bona angeke bakhona ukuza cause imigwaqo ivaliwe the following morning bekanawo lamaphoyisa bephuza in a police van so bekaqinisile makathi ngeke bamenze next abafana bakhe.
So in terms of like angazi noma uyasonta na do you go to church?
Can I not answer that?
Okay, no worries because bengithi ngiyabuza ukuthi maybe awukazi uthola ama support group for esontweni but it's okay. So ubudine ngifuna ungiunderstandise ke ukuthi do you think maybe unenkinga like maybe ukhule kabuhlungu like njengoba bengishilo ecaleni ukuthi like ama conversation wenu like uke wakhuluma ngokuthi why like anje
lo muntu akakhulumi makasoba he becomes whatever he becomes makadakiwe makasoba uthulile uquiet uzibhekela ama movie uzibhekela you know one time uke wathi kimi or athi ngihambe naye eMpumalanga ngathi hayi but mina ngeke ngihambe ngingale ngishiye abazali bami ngapha and badala bakhulile yabo wathi nongahamba plus I was still thin kancane yabo wathi uzongifaka phakathi kwe-suitcase ayibhoboze ukuthi ngikhona ukuphefumula and I took it lightly but now going back ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo bekaqinisile
so makakushela into leyo bekangaka
bese kangishayile
and then like wamtshela ukuthi like awuzamanga maybe kumtshela ukuthi hawu because uyabona ukuthi like sesiyalwa yabo, like and izinto zethu ngathi asisafani,
siyeke
hayi sizofika lapho ukuthi uyeke, like uyom-advise nje ukuthi hayi maybe hamba uthola maybe usizonyana bo.
akatshelwa ugayi, akatshelwa. Uma ukhuluma this uyamhlanyisa nje for peace, rather ube quiet, because once ukhuluma something uzokuyeka during the week. Mengaphuzi weekend uzoyifela leyo nto.
So masibuyele back to le ukuthi umtshela ukuthi ufuna ukuhlukana, wenza the same thing.
Mamtshela ukuthi awusamfuni, uzokushayela lokho, uyoze umtshele ukuthi uyamthanda and angeke umshiye, ngeke umyeke. So meaning umthanda, yazi iye yagcina iba ungasasi uthando, bese ngimsaba.
And how did your kids feel maybe ngalokho?
Well, umntanami first born akekho ngapha, but lucky enough because intombazane. So imagine seeing that, yabo. Umfana naye, like, you know. But you know, at that point bengathi ngiphila naye sithu phela kulo mhlaba wethu. But that guy, umshintshile. Like I never thought ukuthi ngaba nenzondo for umuntu. Ayena ngiyamloza. Yo, kakhulu.
Angizwisisi. And then ngiyabona ukuthi like made a bad impact.
And into akudala phela le bekumele kube seng-right.
It's been how many years since uhlukane naye?
You know, ngikutshele when the last time manje mase ngithi yazi angisakufuni, lapha ngiyeli died, like literally, because bengiphuma ekhaya ngihambe nomngane wami sayenzaNsi, there's a store esibindini, saya lapho sayodla, ulo busy uyafona, ngiyamtshela ngithi I'm on my way. It was 2021. Ngithi ngisendleleni, ungawari ngiyeza. Hayi umuntu busy afona, I think 17 missed calls, mangaphenduli ukuza kwethu, and it's not even that far. Siyabuya so uyayedla semini ngabo 3 uyama usithola sisestradini saxoxa nomunye intombazana wase next door, wavela bathi ila masimbo wahambele lawa.
Yo,
okay shapo, siphume lapho ke sichubeke siye kule yandawo futhi ngoba uthi singiza ngithi
okay,
ngihamba nomngane wami ubusy futhi akafuni ke ukuthi ngibe nabangani, sifike sihlale lapho. So since ngihamba ekhaya ekuseni yabona angakababoni during the day, so ngithi kuye it's around past 8 manje, ngithi awuthi ngihambe ngiyobaxoka ukuthi ba right, ngibatshela ukuthi ngizobabona kahle kusasa. Angaphuma kwami mangijika nje ikhona nangu senza kwami, nangu uyangifotola, ungishayisa ngamafensi ngamabonda. Ngithi yini? Oh, uyobona lamadoda akho. Ngithi hayibo, ngiyobheka abazali ukuthi ba right, ngibatshela ukuthi ngizobabona kusasa. Le fence leyana uyabona lama fence lawa,
yeah,
wangibamba solo guy. Ngithi my feet were in the air. So athi yabona namhlanje, just because ngihambile ngayo esibindini ngayodla isibindi nomngane wami sabuya late, wathi yabona namhlanje ngikhipha umphefumulo wena past 8 and it's so quiet estradini futhi it was winter, thank you. Angibambe so ngibona ngizwa nami ukuthi yabona la ngiyafa and ngizofela la ekhoneni kithi, it's just 5 houses away.
And how did you get out of that situation?
I don't know ukuthi le ntombazane yavele ibuyaphi. There's another lady ngijwayele hlala ekhoneni, I don't know bekakuphi la mntana, ngimuzwe amemeza, I don't know if bese ngiba dizzy or what, but angibambile ugayi ayenza show yabo lo girl lo uyangimemeza le, hayi but ngimzola le phela, kusho ukuthi bese kusele kancane ukuthi ngifeinte or ngife. Weza le ntombazana mangilahlela phansi, kusuka kwami lapho ngasukuma ngagijima, bengazi ukuthi ngikwazi ukugijima, so ngayikhaya ngafika ngafonela amaphoyisa, ake weza ngoba tshela igama nesibongo kodwa ngazitshela lapho ngathi no more. You know, I had to move from a so that angangitholi. Bengiphila ngizifihla. Mangize ekhaya ngiza late. Because once angibona nje, angithi futhi makabona ukuthi uyayazi weakness yakho, uloku yakushaya uyamthatha bheki uzodlalela kuwe.
Because ngiyabona vele ukuthi you've suffered a lot and
ziningi izinto angenze zona singahlala live ilonke
siloku sikhuluma nje singaqedi. Yo, like angisazi nokuthi ngibuze noma uye wathola isizo because this is very traumatic, honestly.
It is. And talking about it, it's like yenzeka izolo because ngiyambona nokumbona uyangithola ngiyamzonda, I hate him. Ngiyangambona still uclaim ukuthi ngumuntu wakhe in.
And like, okay, based on history sakho sesitshela sona, what would you say to like people who are out there like in the same situation? Do you think when maybe you're blinded by the fact that you love him, or just protecting him njalo nje? Okay, so ngifuna ukwazi kabanzi nge-background yakaGuy vele ukuthi like abantu bebamanzi umuntu njani, umuntu okhula kanjani nje since ahlala lapha la becashe khona.
Honestly, abamazi, I think maybe bazi into abatshele zona because akusuka ngapha firstly ubuye eMpumalanga. So uze ngapha uthi aqashe so that abe eduze nomsebenzi.
Okay, and then i-relationship yakho naye ne, since bushilo vele ukuthi hayi senihlukene manje, like mawuhlangana naye, like what comes back to mind? How does seeing his face make you feel? And during that time, Nizwana, how did you feel around other men?
Like Mangsasenai?
Yeah.
Mangsasenai phela, I wasn't allowed to be around men, even if masinda when mangajaiva nje ngiyadontswa rough. So that's why kaningi bengi at least prefer ukuthi ngibe endlini yena bele, because there's no point to ebumnandini
not to have fun.
Uyangithola. So yeah, like bengabi too busy naye endaweni eningi plus futhi bengimdisturb angithi bekanomuntu lapha.
And then ke njengoba senihlukene ke na mawumbona nje ufila kanjani nje?
Ayazi ever since ngimgcina ni 2020 man, I think 23, because kuye life yakhe yahlangana nje.
Okay.
And then wahamba, I don't know ukuthi kuphi, but ngimbone I think it was last year. At first mangimbona ngathuka, yabona, like ngaphenika ukuthi I want uzwenzani manje. Ngamangala wangidlula, but makadlula I noticed ukuthi akusasebuye loya mathafana, yabo.
Bekumuntu nje ordinary guy uzidlulelayo nje.
Yeah, like akasekho isimo sakhe asisekhona like before.
So emva kokubaleka kwakho bowusho kangakanani ukuthi i-relationship yakho naye seyiphelile njengoba sokuthi manje so uyekhaya?
Bengazi ukuthi if mangihlangana naye angeke iphele because lo muntu bengisongela ngithi to a point by phone yami yamosheka, then ngathi thanks God because akasena access yami. That's why ngithe kuwe bengikhaya late in the evenings yenza sure ukuthi angihlangani naye, and it worked maybe for around 8 months or so because I came back the following year around 2023. Then mangibuya bese ngasekho bekaneyinkinga zakhe, I don't know, but bekali alas ninini bambonile kuphi ninini abambonanga, yabo abantu uyafuneka in. So ngenhlanhla leyo ke azange ngisambona up until ngimbona last year early mangimbona wathi kimi mina ngumfazi wakhe, wathi ore kunomuntu ongilamisile na. Ngathi khona. Wathi yes angifuni ukuhlanya like you thanda ukuthi uyangiprovoke, yeah, thanda usho lokho.
So wakhuluma ngendlela ekhama?
Angeke abe khama edakiwe. He likes spirits, that guy. ukuthanda i-hot stuff. I think yiso esim-driver to be the way abangakhona. So ever since the second time mangimbona though, I don't know, or besangicabangela, but
So if you were to say, because boshilo vele ukuthi hayi, you were not receiving any help, wana muntu uzokhuluma naye, especially amaphoyisa futhi ke you mentioned indaba yakho. If you were to come back and be like, come back in my life, ziyenzakala?
yeah, natshela mina.
Yeah.
Hayi ngamane sibulalana never. Ungabuyela wena.
Never sure.
So angeke.
So manje ay singafiki le information le. So kukho konke lokho kushilo ke namhlanje ayiphi advice ungayinikeza abantu maybe abago through the same situation?
Ukuya ngami ngathi bangathandani, but ke angithi uthando babheke like ama red flags. If umuntu ashintsha, whether uyakhuluma or uyakubiza, anything nje off, uchecke yona i-behavior yakhe. Angithi umuntu wakho uyamazi once aqala aba the other way. Those things they matter because mina zenzeke many times, but ngiloku ngibekezela. And nakhona they must learn to put themselves first. Yazi if you uye kumuntu ukuthi akutreat so, it means awuzithandi. We must learn to love ourselves more. Yabo, uzithande to a point whereby uyasho ukuthi no, I can't settle for this, I'm out. In that way uyazisave bonke abantu abakuleyo situation.
Hayi ngiyasiza isitori sakho Mugel. Manje ke thina as isekunjalo TV kungathanda ukuthi sikasiste kanjani?
Ngathanda ukuthi nitshela abantu ngestori sami, yabo, nishare like people must learn, because obviously abantu abafani. Maybe umunye angeke ashintshe the way lo ashintshe ngakhona and what. And futhi ngathi, I don't know if I've healed. I don't think ngilile, honestly speaking. I-counseling ngingayizama, but angazi, I think I need therapy futhi.
So in other words, you're not in a relationship with someone right now?
I am.
Okay. And how does that make you feel? Like, is he some sort of a meditation? Is he healing you?
Yeah, in a way.
Okay.
But do you know why I need to anghilang? Because I'm always on guard with whatever he says. And akukho fake kuye.
Yeah.
Yabo. Because now sengicala ukumcompare naloya. Noma azokhuluma into right, mina I'm already expecting into wrong because of the life that I lived. So that's why I haven't healed, and the guy angakamxoleli and angeke futhi ngixolele.
And how does your partner feel about that?
Ukwatile, obviously. He once stood up for me, but we were friends then.
Okay.
Everyone nahleli, then yena wama wamkhuza. I think that's what also drew me closer to him because of that. But it took a while before siba relationship.
Hey, okay. Sekunjalo ke Sekunjalo TV. Niyabona ke namhlanje besine story esi-intense. Very sad. Sekunjalo ke Sekunjalo TV. Today besikwenye episode yani wangikila. Naniswile story sakasizile. Bamkile ngempela. Nawe lapha ekhaya emuva kwecamera, I'm sure uyacabanga na ukuthi angikho happy la ngikhona. Thatha i-decision yokuba umuntu ongcono nawe, uzikhulumele nawe and know your worth, you know. Le story lesi ke sinilethele sona ke babukeli ukuthi nanini khona ukureflecta kwizinto ezenzakalayo kuma surroundings wakho. Whether you've never experienced it but you know someone who's experiencing it, call us. Uze la uzositshela nawe ukuthi hayi so nathi ezisekunjalo TV sizokhona ukuthi sim-expose leyo muntu loyo noma si bazise ababukela abanye ukuthi hayi abantu in the same situation ukuthi nabo bazi ukuthi okay badile kanjani ngale situation. Siyabonga kakhulu for ukusibukela as isekunjalo TV. Ningakhohlwa ke ukuthi nisicheke kuma page wethu iFacebook, iTwitter, nisitexte ku WhatsApp manenkinga. Lokho ke futhi kubaluleke ukudlula konke lokho ngicela ukuthi nisitexte because kubalulekile na ukuthi ukhulume, ungahlali lapha emva kwekhamera bese uyathula bese uthi hayi ngiyasaba. Ungasabi sinawe ezisekunjalo TV. Nisale kahle.